wind flowing around the facade surfaces causes suction, which acts perpendicular to the facade, that is, in the anchor axis. Wind speed depends on several factors, mainly the location of the building, that is, its geographic location, elevation, and surroundings of the building. For example, there is a difference in whether a building is in the middle of a housing estate or on its edges. For the building itself, the most relevant factors are its height and other dimensions, since wind suction is determined separately for the inner area and the peripheral areas. These factors determine the resulting load acting on the anchors. For each building, the wind suction force is different, and the adequate number of anchors per square meter must be determined by calculation. Standardized tables or automatic calculators are used for this purpose. Of course, the parameters of the anchors, the substrate material, and the strength of the thermal insulation material play a crucial role in the calculation. The ability of the anchor to stabilize the ethics is determined by the force required to pull it out of the substrate and the force required to pull the anchor through the insulation. The higher these values, the less anchors per square meter are needed. Generally speaking, metal pins have a higher load capacity than plastic pins. Screw anchors provide greater load capacity, especially in lightweight building materials. If a lower strength insulation material is to be reliably anchored, a larger anchor plate width is needed. Anchors also differ in their ability to conduct heat. The fixed plug anchor with a plastic pin has virtually zero heat transfer coefficient, so it's not necessary to immerse it in the insulation. Thanks to controlled deformation under the plate, its hammering is accurate and flawless. When it comes to anchors with a metal pin or a screw, it is necessary to choose the types with a reduced thermal bridge. For example, the hammer-in anchors WK Therm and the screw-in anchors WK Therm S. In the case of larger insulation thickness, it is recommended to immerse anchors in the insulating material. Milling can be done in the common way with a cutter and subsequent closing with a plug. A more suitable way is a certified method of immersion where the milled material does not fly around. Installation is quick and precise. The Echo Drive anchors are available in two versions. The Echo Drive S anchor is already equipped with a polystyrene plug and is assembled in one step. The Echo Drive anchor is immersed with the same attachment, but the plug is fitted in the next step. The Echo Drive and Echo Drive S anchors are intended for use in polystyrene only. The Echo Drive W anchor is designed for professional fixing of mineral wool. It is mounted using a special tool for anchor immersion. The anchor is closed with a mineral wool plug.